Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you the top 5 free certificate courses offered by Google. These courses are a fantastic way to learn new skills, expand your knowledge, and advance your career. So, let's get started. First on our list is the Machine Learning Crash Course. This course teaches you the basics such as how machines learn from data and make predictions. You will explore topics like supervised and unsupervised learning and even got hands-on with building your own machine learning models. Second one is data science with Python. If you are interested in working with data and extracting insights, this course is perfect for you. It teaches you how to use Python, a popular programming language, to analyze and visualize data. You will learn how to uncover patterns, make sense of large data sets, and present your findings. Number three is Google Cloud Computing Fundamentals. This course introduces you to the exciting world of cloud computing. You will discover how businesses use the cloud to store data, run applications, and scale their operations. It's a great opportunity to learn about the Google Cloud platform and understand the essentials of cloud computing. Now, number four, Introduction to Google Cloud Essentials. It takes you on a journey into the different services and features of Google Cloud Platform. You will learn about virtual machines, networking, and how to deploy applications in the cloud. It's an excellent way to gain practical skills in cloud computing. Last but not least, number 5, we have the Introduction to Baseline Data ML AI courses. This course is like a beginner's guide to the world of data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You will explore the process of collecting and preparing data, building machine learning models, and even touch on the ethical aspects of AI. It's a fascinating journey into the world of data driven technology. These are top 5 free certificate courses, offer valuable knowledge and skills that can help you stand out in your career. So why not take advantage of these free resources and start learning today? The links to all the courses are provided in the video description below. So be sure to check them out and enroll in the ones that interest you the most. If you find this video is informative, don't forget to hit like button. Thanks once again. Bye bye.